7 Facts on Birds. Did you know there are over 10,000 bird species worldwide? Fascinating. Birds are the only animals with feathers, a unique adaptation for flight. Not all birds fly, though. Penguins, for example, swim instead. Speaking of uniqueness, ever heard of the bee hummingbird? It's the smallest bird in the world, just 2 inches long. On the flip side, the largest bird is the ostrich, which can't fly but runs faster than most predators. Birds also have incredible vision, better than any other creature. Lastly, birds communicate using complex songs and calls. Amazing, isn't it? Bird life is truly intriguing.